Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha Sultana Narayanpet. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my reflective diary, which is a part of my B.Ed second semester coursework. So let's get started. First, the diary begins with the certificate, followed by the declaration and content page. And after that, we move on to the main part, which is the reflective diary itself. So, first and foremost, it is very important to understand what is a reflective diary. Okay, so a reflective diary is, a personal record maintained to document, evaluate, and analyze one's daily teaching experiences. It helps teachers reflect on classroom dynamics, teaching strategies, student engagement, and overall professional growth. Yes, so that's it for reflective diary. This is what a reflective diary means. Okay, so now every diary entry must include the following details like your name, roll number, classroom and section, date, period and time, and subject, unit and lesson topic, name of the school where training was conducted. Okay, example, just for an example of a daily entry, like I have began writing like the day began with the school assembly at 9 a.m, followed by my class with the students of 8th standard. I taught the lesson on mentioned topic like blah 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 blah, and observed the students participated with great interest. They were actively involved in the activities planned during this session. Like this you have to write in your reflective diary. In addition, I conducted interactive classroom activities by inviting one student to read aloud, with another wrote the answer on the board. Okay, and this helped reinforce the lesson and encouraged active learning. So during the lunch break at 1:20 p.m., I had lunch with my fellow trainee teachers, including my favorite trainee Neha Pattar, and the students interacted with us in a friendly manner and showed great acceptance. And in the afternoon session, along with my peers, I observed a class conducted by another teacher, and we carefully noted the teaching techniques and classroom management strategies and recorded our observation in the reflective diary. Right, so at last there's a line like reflection mentioned above. Okay, so before that, that is the last part. Before that, the total reflection of the day you have to write in there. Today marked my first day at the school, and the experience was insightful and motivating. I learned the importance of punctuality, regularity, sincerity, and maintaining proper reporting and dispersal timings. The day helped me understand real classroom dynamics and the responsibilities of a teacher. Okay, and the purpose of writing this reflective diary is, to document and analyze the activities undertaken during the day. Okay, it highlights the lessons learned and provides valuable insights into student teacher interactions. And at the end of the entry, I have signed it and followed by the observer's signature. And that's all for today's video on my reflective diary from the B.Ed second semester. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.